Ever felt that pang of frustration when you're just about to do something important, like open a new bank account, and you realize you're missing a crucial piece of paper? Yeah, me too. It's like reaching for that last perfect puzzle piece only to find it's vanished into thin air. Today, we're going to make sure that doesn't happen to you when you're aiming to open a Lloyds bank account. Think of opening a bank account as setting up your financial home. Just like moving into a physical home requires certain documents to prove who you are and where you live, opening a bank account has its own set of essentials. Lloyds Bank, like any reputable financial institution, needs to verify your identity and your address to comply with regulations and keep everyone's money safe. So, what are these all-important documents that you need to gather before you stroll into a Lloyds branch or start your online application? Let's break it down into two main categories: proof of identity and proof of address. First up, proof of identity. This is all about showing Lloyds Bank that you are who you say you are. The gold standard here is usually a valid passport. Its official nature and photograph make it a strong form of identification. If you don't have a passport, don't worry. A full UK or EU driving license, the photocard version, of course, is also generally accepted. Now, what if you don't have either of those? Lloyds Bank often accepts other forms of photographic ID, such as a national identity card from an EU country. It's always a good idea to double-check the specifics on the Lloyds Bank website or by giving them a quick call, just to be absolutely sure your ID will be accepted. Remember, the key here is that the document should be current, meaning it hasn't expired, and it should clearly display your photograph and full name. Next on our list is proof of address. This is how Lloyds Bank confirms where you actually live. They need to see a document that clearly shows your name and your current residential address. Utility bills are often a go-to for this. Think gas, electricity, water, or even a landline phone bill. Make sure the bill is recent, usually within the last 3 months, to ensure it reflects your current living situation. Mobile phone bills are generally not accepted as proof of address. Another common and reliable proof of address document is a bank or building society statement from another institution. Again, this should be recent, typically within the last 3 months. Council tax bills for the current year are also usually accepted. For those who rent, a tenancy agreement signed by both you and your landlord or letting agent can sometimes be used, although it's worth confirming this with Lloyds beforehand as policies can vary. Similarly, if you own your home, a mortgage statement is a valid option. It's important to note that Lloyds Bank, like other banks, is serious about preventing fraud and money laundering. This is why they have these stringent requirements. Providing the correct and up-to-date documents helps them to keep the financial system secure for everyone. So, when you're preparing to open your Lloyds bank account, make sure you have a valid proof of identity, ideally a passport or driving license, and a recent proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Having these documents ready will make the application process much smoother and faster, whether you choose to apply online or in person at a branch. Taking a few moments to gather these essentials beforehand can save you a significant amount of time and potential frustration down the line. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.